Question is, the two opposite vertices of a square are minus 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 2. Find the coordinates of other two vertices. Suppose we have a square ABCD. We know that in a square each angle is 90 degree and all sides are equal in length. So let in a square ABCD, A equal to minus 1 comma 2, B equal to x comma y, B equal to x comma y, C is 3 comma 2, so C is 3 comma 2 according to question. AB equal to BC, region sides of a square are equal in length. Find AB, find BC. What is AB? By using distance formula, x minus minus plus 1, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to square root of x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2, तो y minus 2 whole square, squaring both sides, we get x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now expand a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. First expand x plus 1 whole square, x square 1 square is 1 plus 2x, this is y square, 2 square is 4, 2 2 is 4y. Here x square 3 square is 9, 2 3 is 6x. Here y square 2 square is 4, 2 2 is 4y. X square will cancel x square, y square will cancel y square. In the left side we have 2x minus 4y, 1 plus 4 is 5 equal to minus 6x minus 4y, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. So 2x minus 4y, shift minus 6x into left side 6x, shift minus 4y into left side plus 4y equal to 13. Shift 5 into RHS. So 13 minus 5. So 2x plus 6x, 2x plus 6x is 8x, minus 4y plus 4y cancel, 8x equal to 13 minus 5 is 8, so 8x equal to 8, this implies x equal to 1, so value of x is 1, so we get value of x is 1. Now we will take second condition. What is second condition? Triangle ABC, triangle ABC is right triangle, or in right triangle by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to sum of square of other two sides. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So we will use second condition now. C is 3, 2. Now applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC, we get, now applying Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC, we get, what we get? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. What is AB square? By using distance formula. So root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. The square root will cancel by square. So we have x minus minus plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. For BC, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to AC square. AC 3 minus minus plus 1 plus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, expand x square plus 1 plus 2x, y minus 2 whole square, expand this, y square, 2 square is 4, 2 to the 4y, expand this, x minus 3 whole square, x square, we can put x equal to 1 here, that will be easy. So we put x equal to 1. Putting x equal to 1, we get x equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 square, 2 minus 2 is 0. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square plus y minus 2 whole square, y square plus 4 minus 2 to the 4y. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. Expand this, y square plus 4 minus 2 to the 4y equal to 16. 2 square is 4 plus y square plus 4 minus 4y minus 2 square is also 4 plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 16. Simplify this, y square plus y square, 2y square minus 4y and minus 4y minus 8y. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16, 16 will cancel 16. So we have 2y square minus 8y equal to 0. 2y square minus 8y equal to 0. Take 2y common. Take 2y common. So 2y into y minus 4. Y minus 4 equal to 0. 2y into y, 2y square. 2y into 4, 8y. When 2y is 0, y equal to 0. When y minus 4 is 0, y equal to 4. So other two vertices are, x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and x equal to 1, y equal to 4. So other two vertices of square are 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 4. So students, if you like my teaching, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.